I have changed many habits, and if you want to change your habits, just keep watching. So here is 7-step framework which I have personally used from the book Atomic Habits and which has helped me to change my habits immensely over the course of time. So let's dive into the framework quickly. Stay tuned till the end of this video so that I can share some of the tools which can help in your habit making journey. Create a habit scorecard. This scorecard is basically all about your current habits which you categorize yourself as good or bad. Good and bad can be defined using this one definition. Anything which is helping you to become a better version of yourself or the version you desire is good, and anything which is not helping you in the journey of you becoming a better person is a bad thing. So do this plus and minus and identify where do you stand currently. This will help you evaluate and give you an awareness of where you are standing currently. Not only it will help you to evaluate where you are, but it will also help you to become self-aware. So many of the failure which happens while creating good habits is due to lack of self-awareness. Use Pareto principle to identify the habit which can help you solve 80% of the problem. So what I did personally in my life was I understood that if I work out 1 hour a day, it will help me not only become a healthier version of myself but also boost my energy levels and take care of the lethargy and my sleeping patterns. So what did I decided? I decided to work on that one habit to change my life. Number 3, change your identity. Identify yourself as that person. So what did I started? I started saying myself, I am a person who never misses a workout. And slowly and steadily, that one single affirmation and part of my identity got instilled in me, and I became that person who never missed out her workout. Number 4, start small. Start small and be consistent because small wins help us to trust ourselves better. If we do something very large and if we fail in one or two things, we will not trust ourselves. So start small. Nobody is born something, they become something by the habits. Number 5, habit stacking or implementation iteration. It is a well-known framework which is used in building good habits. So what you have to do in habit stacking is you have to identify or rather make a plan beforehand of how and when you will pursue that habit. For instance, I will start working out at 6 a.m. in the morning in my bedroom. So this is where I have designated what habit I will do, where and at what time, and it solves many of the problems. Number 6, very underrated, and I definitely never felt the need that this is such a huge part in the process of habit building, is creating an optimum environment. As it is mentioned in Atomic Habits book, that psychologist Kurt Lewin said that behavior is nothing but the function of that person in that particular environment. So as you can understand, if the environment is good, if it is up to the mark, the more you are prone to do your habit. So create an optimum environment for yourself, and that will help you implement your good habits. For instance, in my case, I placed my yoga mat, my yoga blocks in the bedroom itself, and I was able to see and get motivated instantly that I have to work out. Last but not the least, overcome your craving. Craving is nothing but a deeper manifestation of your motive. You tend to doom scroll Instagram because you feel that it will help you in easing your anxiety or it will help you escape your action. But in reality, it only makes you feel bad. So, how to avoid this craving? You set restrictions, make that craving irritable, and add a friction to it. For instance, I used to watch Instagram reels on hours. So what did I do? I added one app which is 1 second, and that app has an interface. Every time you open the Instagram, it asks you to breathe, and you need to take one deep breath. So what happened was I started breathing and I was like, do I really need to use Instagram? And I used to just escape it. So adding a friction helps you to overcome that craving, overcome that bad habit loop. Before I end this video, I would like to say that Atomic Habits is the book from where I have learned all of these good habits, frameworks, and the ways to overcome my bad habits. I would highly recommend you to give it a go and go through this book. It contains a lot of things that will help you become a better version of yourself, and also give you an insight which is very relatable. I am enclosing a habit tracker in the description box below. It is a free downloadable and you can help to track your habits to monitor your consistency. And I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please drop an orange heart in the comment section below. We'll see you next week. Bye.